happy Monday again. I hope again that you are having a wonderful start to your week. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, I do wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We have lots of fun here, and yeah, we just have lots of fun. We do all kinds of unboxings, review videos, haul videos, sneak peek videos, live streams, giveaways. And speaking of giveaways, don't forget we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway that's going on right now. I will put that down below. So thank you so much for getting us to over 5,000, you guys. I can't believe it. So today we are going to be unboxing the Sierra Mom Box. This is actually from Sierra Metal Designs. I will put a link to them down below. I'm going to tell you about it first and then we'll open it. It just kind of comes in this mailer. I did slit it. You see it's like jam-packed. And then we'll open it and see what we got this month. So this is for August 2019. And Sierra Mom Club is this box. And the Mama Club is $39.99 a month, and exclusive to Mama Club. These items, because again, this is from Sierra Metal Designs, they have a website with all kinds of personalized, amazing products. I mean, anything you can think of, they can do. But the items that you would receive in this are exclusive to the Mama Club only. Like you can't purchase these online from their site. You get 3 fabulous surprise items, and at least 1 will be personalized. Now, it will be personalized with either your child or kid's names, your monogram or initial, and it will have a total retail value of over $75. Now, when you first sign up for the Mama Club box, they have you do a survey, and in this survey, you tell them your shirt size, your birthday month, your full name, so your first, middle, and last, because again, they may send you something monogrammed, how many kids you have, and their names. They also have a Mama necklace subscription, and that is only $14.99 a month with a retail value of over $25. So obviously you're going to receive a necklace every month, and it's going to be personalized. The color and types of metal may change, but that you will again receive a personalized necklace every month, and you may receive like some extra surprise goodies, which is always fun. For that, the survey is not quite as extensive. They just want your birthday month to maybe surprise you on your birthday, and then how many kids you have and their names. So we are going to get to this. Again, this is for August 2019. Again, I will put a link down below. So if you'd like to sign up for the Sierra Mama Club Mom Box, you can, or the Mama Necklace, you can, or just check out their website. It is amazing. Like I said, they have so many amazing products. It's crazy. So let's get in here. I do want to say thank you so very much to Sierra Mom, or Sierra Metal Designs, for sending me your Mama box, your Mama Club box. I can't wait to see what is in here. So, like I said, it's jam-packed. They have sent me this once before to review, and it was amazing. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out so that we can kind of oh. Ooh. 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 All right. So this says, so you can see that's their logo, Sierra Metal Design. It says thank you. Is there something in here? Like a business, maybe it's a business card or something. It's just really cute how they did that. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is like a buy any coffee mug and get a free Mom's Coffee Fund phone wallet. Okay. So in case you go to their website, I will share this with you. So like I said, if you buy any coffee mug, you will get a free Mom's Coffee Fund phone wallet. And the code is coffee. and it is good through September 9th. So that's awesome. So here this kind of shows you can see different things that they design. I mean, they do onesies, these like bottle opener necklaces, different cups, shirts, all kinds of necklaces. I mean, I've seen so many different things on their Instagram. It's amazing. And the quality of their products, like I said, because they have sent this to me once before, is phenomenal. So we are gonna start, we're gonna start with this big guy right here. And this looks, what's it say? Okay, so this is clearly a beach towel, and it's actually got teal and white stripe, which is two of my favorite colors. But then in this really pretty, like, glittery, can you guys see that? Mamacation. So what, oh, see, sparkle, ooh, mamacation. So in other words, leave me alone. We don't get a break. We don't get a break. And then there's something else here. That towel is so cute. That is adorable. What are you? Oh, this is cute. It's a canvas tote bag, and it just says Mama. And I'll use tote bags. And I love that it says Mama. So this is great for anything, honestly, anything. Tote bags are just great in general. I just love them. So then, what is this? It's a cup, I can tell that. It is like a Carolina blue, which if you guys know, again, I live in North Carolina. I'm a huge Tar Heels fan. It's a 20-ounce steel tumbler from Mars. So there, just so you can see. But it looks like, okay, this is awesome. Let me get the rest of this open so I can show you exactly. This is too cute. Y'all know I love cups. Oh, I don't think you're gonna be able to see this because it took me a second, but it says, I know you can probably see the writing right there, but it says Mason Jar Lifestyle. Yeah, always. Okay guys, sorry about that. I had to knock at the door, so I had to kind of get back to it. So anyway, so I've got the next item all together and I'm so excited. Like I said, I know you probably couldn't see it, but the straw says Mason Jar Lifestyle, absolutely. But anyway, always on vacay. It's more of a state of mind. But is this not gorgeous? And it comes with the lid, the metal reusable straw, which I love. So I am so excited about this. This is awesome. So far we've gotten this beautiful cup, the Mama bag, which if I remember correctly from their Instagram post, this was kind of just like a bonus. The gorgeous beach towel, so kind of wrapping up summer with vacay mode on the brain. And then in here, it looks like we've got, oh, it looks like two things. So let's see what is in here. So this is, it says breakable handle with, oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, this is so cute. It is a keychain, clearly, that says Mama, right? It's like a wooden looking keychain. But if you look really closely right there, it says Christopher. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh, This is like the, oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I'm sticking my finger. This is just the cutest. But yeah, it says Christopher. Oh, I love that so much. So see what I'm saying is I do personalized items. And then what is we have for, this is gorgeous. This is a necklace. In like rose gold. And you can see here a standard necklace, and it does have a little bit of the adjustable chain. But how beautiful. It is a little heart and it says Christopher. I don't know if you guys can see it. It does, it says Christopher. So that's 2 personalized items. The necklace and this adorable mama keychain. That is so cute and unique that it's mama, but it has his name on it. So those 2 personalized items, this awesome, always on vacay, because in my mind I am, but in reality, I'm a mama. The mama tote bag, which is adorable, and then the mamacation beach towel here that is so beautiful, and just the sparkle. I'm like, yes. So that was the Mama Club box for August 2019 from Sierra Metal Designs. Like I said, I will put a link down below. Definitely go check them out. You guys, it is amazing, and it is a great way to treat yourself every month and get some amazing items and some cute personalized items to remind you why you love being a mama, because you love your kids. So, and don't forget, they do have the mama necklace option as well as for a subscription. It's like $14.99. Again, that link will be down below. Check them out. And again, check out their website. It's just amazing at the quality, the variety, everything. It's just amazing. So again, keep in mind also that anything in the Mama Club subscription is exclusive to the subscription. So these items are not available for purchase on the website. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful week. I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.